Hi, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you what I got in my January 2021 BoxyCharm box. The subscription I have is the base box, and it gave me a card of Fresh Start, which looks like this. And the products we got is Violet Voss Pharmacy Cleaning Toner, PUR Tinted Moisturizer, Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt, Triple Eye Cream, Trust Fund Beauty Lip Gloss Balm. No, Lipgasm Lip Gloss. Alright, so let's see. First we have a Violet Voss, and this palette was designed with universal flattering olives and hue that complements one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formula, from a creamy matte, mesmerizing metallic, and impactable foils, which is beautiful because this eye look that I have over here I have created using this beautiful palette. And yes, whatever it says, creamy matte, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils, definitely love it. And this is so true. And you can achieve smoky eyes, sultry eyes, neutral, seductive, attractive, and even romantic. And the manufacturer price of this is only $34. Nobody can beat this many colors for this little price. Beautiful. The next product I have is Pharmacy PUR Tinted Moisturizer. I have not tried this yet, but let's see. So if I'm going to put this a little bit over on top of my hand, and let's see. Oh my goodness, you see how creamy it is and how beautiful it is. I definitely love this, and it hides the pigmentations on my hand. Beautiful. Let's see what this includes. A multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen with a 20 SPF. That's a part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra natural looking complexion. That is very true too. I'm looking forward to use that. The other one we have is Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt. Now, I have been using this for 2 days, and I kid you not, I have been waking up with not tired eyes every morning, and I was using it once a day. But when I looked up in the back of the cream this morning how to use it, they said to use it 2 times, AM and PM, and I'm gonna start using it today on AM and PM, and we'll let you know how that goes, and I will let you see the before and after. Definitely love this because it is very creamy, very moisturizing, and you can just feel the difference from the eye that has it and the eye that does not have it. The next one we have is Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss. Let's see how this beauty is. Ooh, I like the poppy color. I'm ready for spring. Okay, I have a very nude lips on my lips right now, and if I just I like this. It's not sticky at all. Definitely will be using it on my, I can just read it over here. A sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business, and that your business is none of their HR is already sweating. I like it. Very, very nice. And the last we have is Pharmacy Deep Sweet Skin Toner. How to use, it says swipe on a cleansed face in the AM and or PM. So we can use 1 time a day or 2 times a day, avoiding the eye area. Do not rinse. A slightly tingling may be experienced, may be used daily in the absence of irritation or daytime. Follow with sunscreen. So that's the beauty of it, that you can use sunscreen with it. Most of the moisturizers are not okay to use with toners, but I like the fact that you can use this one with the sunscreen, and that is a pretty big bottle too, so that will last us a long time. Whoops. And that will last us a long time. And I like the fact the bottle is glass and it has 120 ml, which is 4 ounces. Beautiful. So this will last a long time, and I'm very excited to try all these products, and I will let you know how that goes. And I'm also going to be creating a look using Huda Beauty, as I mentioned in my video before. Look out for that video too, and I'm excited to see what I have in my February 2021 box. I look forward to hear back from you guys. Leave me the comment below and let me know what were your thoughts about this. I love from the palette that I created by Violet Voss. And I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.